morning, not financial advice. Do your own research. If you want to start investing in Wonderland and earning over 60,000% APY, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to take you click by click through everything you need to do to start investing. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get our Avalanche wallet set up. This is really easy to do if you're using MetaMask. I went ahead and I deleted my Avalanche wallet so I can just show you click by click through what you need to do. So you come up here to the top where you have Ethereum mainnet or whatever network you're currently on. You scroll to the bottom, click Custom RPC, and then we're going to fill in this information, which we have on the Avalanche support network. So if we scroll down, it'll tell us exactly what we need. And you'll notice that I have my screen split, so I'm working on two separate windows. That's because if you try to do this in the same window and copy and paste over, you will lose what you're doing every single time. MetaMask will shut as you are clicking over to what is on page. So you need to have two windows open to copy and paste. Otherwise, you'll just have to type it in. Quick little trick, click save, and then there you go. I have my Avalanche network with my small little balance of AVAX. Okay, so the next thing we're going to need to do is fund our Avalanche wallet that we just created. So to do that, I like to use this bridge. You can also purchase directly from major swaps like Coinbase or Binance, so it's really easy to get funds onto the Avalanche network. This bridge is my preferred method just because I was sending from the Ethereum network over to the Avalanche network. So to do that, we'll click switch here so that we're going from Ethereum to Avalanche. And I was still on the Avalanche network after creating my wallet, so we need to flip that here. One of the main reasons I like this bridge though is because as you see up here, if you send $75 worth of any token, they'll send you AVAX as an airdrop, which is their native token that's used to pay the gas fees. So if you don't have any AVAX in your wallet, you can't actually do anything on the Avalanche network. So getting that AVAX sent to you for free, just enough to start making some transactions, purchasing more AVAX if you need, is a really helpful feature of this bridge. So we're on the Ethereum network, where you're going to swap whatever token you have over to the Avalanche network. I recommend wrapped ETH if you have any. That is a very easy coin to transact with. So if we do 0.1, we hit transfer, come here, ask us to pay our gas fees, and submit the transaction. I'm not actually going to do that because I don't want to pay the gas fees. But anyway, so that transaction will process, it'll bridge over. It might take about 30 minutes, so don't be alarmed if it takes a little bit. But once you get that confirmation, then you will have your wrapped Ethereum on the Avalanche network. So once the bridge is complete, the next thing that we're going to need to do is take those funds that we just sent to our Avalanche wallet and swap them into the tokens that we need so that we can start staking on Wonderland. I use Trader Joe as my swap of choice. What we're going to need to do is make sure that we are on the Avalanche network, which we are, so we're in good shape there. And we're going to swap the token that we just sent from our Ethereum wallet into the AVAX token. So if we did wrapped Ethereum, which is what I would recommend sending, you're going to click max so that we send all of our wrapped Ethereum over to the AVAX token. And this is just for ease of transaction. This would be similar to wanting to have your tokens as Ethereum on the Ethereum mainnet. It just allows you to pay the gas fees as well as transact seamlessly between different tokens. So once you did that, you would have your AVAX token, you would hit submit, you would process that transaction, and then you would have your AVAX. So once you have AVAX, then we would swap our AVAX for time. Time is the token that we actually stake onto Wonderland and start earning that huge APY with. So once you have AVAX, you can put in however much AVAX you want to send into time. You don't want to do your max though. So if you do max, that's going to leave you with no AVAX left to transact with. So what I would recommend doing is leaving yourself about 0.1 AVAX, maybe 0.2, depending on how many transactions you think you're going to be making. But you want to have that AVAX there so that you can continue to transact on the network without having to add more AVAX to your wallet. So then you would click swap, you would hit confirm swap, and it's going to ask you in MetaMask to confirm that. You can see it costs about 0.004 AVAX to pay the gas fees for this transaction. I'm not going to do that just because I don't want to purchase any more time, but you would hit confirm there, and that would process, and once it's confirmed, you would have that time in your wallet. Once you have that time in your wallet, now we're going to go back over to Wonderland so we can actually stake it and start earning that huge APY. I'll put the link down below for the Wonderland site. You're going to click enter the app. And then on the left here, we're going to go over to the staking tab. So we're already on the staking tab, which is great. My wallet's already connected, which is great. But now we're going to come down here, make sure we're on stake. We're going to click max, and it's going to put in the amount of time that you just purchased. And then you're going to click stake time. Won't let me do it because I don't have any time in my wallet right now, because all of mine is staked, but you click stake time, and random ask will come up. You'll pay the gas fee using the AVAX tokens that you left in your wallet, and then you'll hit confirm. Once you do that, it will stake your time, and your time will turn into memo, which is the staked version of time. So once you've done that, you are good to go. Everything will be processed, and you will begin earning that APY of 67,722% as of now. Hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a like. Check out the other videos on my channel where I go through similar processes for how to start staking on other OHM forks.